I will show step by step how to do a backdoor Roth IRA with Vanguard. The first step is to open a traditional IRA and then contribute funds to it. The second and final step is to convert your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. To get started, we will open a traditional IRA, log into the Vanguard website. If you don't have a Vanguard account, go ahead and create one. Click Product and Services, then IRAs. Open an IRA. Select the option here that says Traditional IRA. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions. Just fill out all the questions on all the different pages. You will eventually see this page once you've answered all the questions. Hit continue, and then on the next page, just click submit. Once you have done that, you have now successfully opened a traditional IRA. The next step now is to convert your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. However, it might take up to a week before your money settles in your Vanguard account, so you might not be able to convert your traditional IRA until that time. Assuming your money has settled, we can go back to the Vanguard homepage, click Portfolio, Accounts, click on your traditional IRA that you just opened, click Convert to Roth IRA, start my Roth conversion, scroll down and hit continue. I agree, continue. You should see your traditional IRA on this page and click continue. You can choose to convert all your funds or just some of your funds. Select the option that makes the most sense for you. I'll just do the first option in this case and hit continue. Select your Roth IRA. This page talks about the tax implications of converting your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Just make sure you understand the tax implications and click I agree. You might see a message here saying that you need to set your withdrawal rate. Click the link and you should see a form. Just fill out the form to set your withholding rate and then come back to this page and click I agree. This is the confirmation page. Verify all the info looks good, and if it does, just click submit. And that is the last step to do a backdoor Roth IRA with Vanguard. One last important thing to note is once that conversion is complete, you want to make sure to use that money to buy investments inside your Roth IRA. Some people forget this step and will just leave cash in their Roth IRA and not actually invest it, so just make sure you avoid that mistake. And that is the end of this backdoor Roth IRA tutorial.